1 year ago, I quit my day job and started acting full-time. I met a wonderful, wonderful acting coach, David Thompson, and he took me under his wing. What I really wanted to do was create a character that wasn't myself. I wanted to do stuff that was outside of the box, things that weren't to my truth. And he was like, hey, let me teach you something. And he taught me that no matter what character you're playing, there is always a truth to that character from yourself. And I think that's the biggest lesson I've learned from him. And it's really helped me grow and explore all the opportunities that I have had. And it's been so much fun. David really took me under his wing and really, made me feel loved and part of the Tama family, and just an all-around great person, an amazing friend. And there's one of my kids. He absolutely loves my kids. He has taken Riley, my 11-year-old, under his wing as well, and has taught her some amazing things. And the lessons that he teaches me, I teach them. And I did a 48-hour horror film project here in Richmond recently, and 2 of my daughters starred in it with me. And I know, she's so goofy. But David has taught me so many things and has opened so many doors, has introduced me to so many actors, writers, directors, producers, and it's been an amazing ride, and I can't thank him enough, because without him, I would not be where I'm at today. This weekend, I will be shooting my 5th short film, which we're hoping to distribute into a feature film, and I've done at least 10 feature films within this last year, and it's, again, just been so amazing. David has been nonstop about keeping in touch and making sure we keep up with our craft and making sure that we're happy and healthy and loved and just everything under the sun that's beautiful. So I am so, so happy I have met an amazing human being and such a wonderful creative, because without him, I wouldn't be where I'm at today. So thank you so much, David. Thank you for everything. I love you, and I can't wait to continue working with you.